So in today's video, we're going to do another, let's see if we can get it running type of thing. And what arrived this week, in fact, it arrived yesterday here at the Old Merc Guy. And I bought them in for stripping. Is this 123? Bella won't let me strip this. Is this, well, these two, a W210 C180, this one over here, and a W203 C180. So I thought, you know, the logical thing would be to let's try and get the E280 started. And yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it's actually all right inside. It's got the keys and stuff. And when we opened up the boot, I thought it'd be a bit of a pointless endeavor with most of the engine being inside here. This one, however, this W203, it was from a deceased estate, and the owner apparently passed away early in 2004, so it's been standing for at least since then, maybe a bit longer. I mean, the tyres are flat, you can see there's a bit of surface rust here. Certainly hasn't been washed at all. Really in a sorry state. It does have keys. And I mean, if you have a look inside there, a bit of a moldy steering wheel, and but I don't know if you want to go and have a squiz inside there. It stinks. Hey?
Sure.
Yeah.
Fishy.
Fishy, yeah. I think there's rat poo all over the place in it as well. It's probably, yeah, here on the back seat and on the floor. Oh yeah, looking around the front, I see the bumpers. The bumper's got a dent in it there. You can see inside here there's obviously been a rat's nest here. I'll check the oil. The oil seems fine. It's got no water, so we'll add some water there. So I think the first thing we're going to need to do here, Bills, is this looks like a very old battery inside here. So I think the first thing we're going to need to do here is let's get a battery in, and let's see what it does. And a fire extinguisher. I think we get one of those as well. We'll just keep it close by here.
Yeah.
So if you're interested to find out whether we actually get this thing going or not, be sure to watch till the end of the video. So here we go. I've got a battery here. We're going to put in heavy, these old batteries. And more importantly, safety first. So let me put this on. Maybe we should just open that door and take the key out. Do you want to do that quick, Bills? Just in case it locks everything in here or something. Okay, is it out? Okay, cool. Okay, here goes nothing. We put this on. Is this the right way around here? I think so. Wait.
Must be.
Okay, there we go. Let's move this. Okay, now we've done nothing. Let me go and grab some water, and then we'll carry on. Let's put some water in here, just in case it starts. I don't think it's going to, but let's have a look. Got a couple of liters of water here. We've got our fire extinguisher. We've got a fresh battery. Let's put this water in. Oh, it really smells bad, this car. It's terrible, eh?
It's really bad.
What do you think it is, Bill?
I don't know. Maybe there's a piece of fish under the seat.
Certainly smells like it. Yeah, took a bit of water this, eh? Maybe I should get some more. Oh, let me go and get some more. The doors here as well. Got some more water. Oh, all that water's gone. I wonder if there's pipes on at the bottom.
I think it is. What? Unless you're spilling a lot. It should be enough to
Yeah, at least get something in there. Not going to let it run for long for now. I see there's a sponge here. What is this? Wow. Miles, please don't you clean that there? Okay, I've called Nings on getting inside to start it, so Bella said she'll be doing that. Okay, so let's swap cameras here. Oh, the water's just going down here. Okay. But that's fine. Okay, let me take over, and then you go and try and fire it up. Oh, let me put
the
this back on.
battery on.
Yeah, put the battery back on. Bells, remember, if you see fire, you know what to do, hey?
Maybe.
Leg it. Okay, let's see. Okay, before you start it, okay, let's have a look here. So what's it saying? Okay, SRS and low coolant level. Radio seems to be working. That's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, nothing, eh? Nothing. Okay, so it's not cranking at all.
We thought it was, yeah. You'd think flat battery, but that one's good.
Yeah. Okay, try now. Okay, no. Okay, try now. No, nothing here.
No.
Certainly clicking. Probably find there's a rat's nest inside there or something. I think, Bells, let me go and do some work. You chill in the car a bit. So I don't know. Do you think it's worth trying anything here?
Why don't you try turn it by hand with the thing?
I can try. We would mean disassembling this lot here. Let's try and do that actually.
Yeah.
We'll do that. We'll take this air filter housing off here and then try and turn it. You know, Bella, that's a mission, hey? I mean, it's not like we're going to be driving this car. And you know what actually concerns me a bit is with all this this rat's nest here and all the rat poo inside, there's a big chance that some of the wiring's been charred somewhere by the rats. And, you know, it's just a fire risk. So I think this one, you know, you can't save them all. I think this one is definitely a good candidate for spares. Gearbox is probably fine. Motor's probably fine as well. Let's check a few of the other things. Let me put on the lights, see if those work. You want to stand back a bit?
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. Brights?
Hard to tell. I don't think so.
Okay. Let's see the hooter. No, hooter doesn't work. Oh, maybe ignition, that would help.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hooter works. Windows work. I know we had to close this window yesterday. The switch is a bit buggered, but it does work. Back windows, let's have a look here. I don't think it's locked.
Oh.
Let's see. Oh.
Works from the front.
Works from the front.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Or it did.
It does. I think I broke it yesterday. What I did yesterday, this thing was already, let me just turn this radio down. This driver's window switch, when it was towed from the premises where it had been parked, and I'll share a photo of where it was parked for the last couple of years, this was broken here. So they had opened the window and we needed to close it because of the weather. So I took this back one. This thing was knackered anyway, so I took the back switch and put it there. But we did test all the windows yesterday, and it seemed to be fine. You tested it with the jumper thing. Okay, so that works. The radio works. Very nice. Does shift out of, maybe I should shift it out of this, out of park here. How does that work now? Oh, there we go. Just keep it in neutral, so when we tow it inside. In terms of warnings, okay, coolant. Let's see what else. How do you see the mileage here? Let's see. Washer level, 239,000. It's not too much. Still got a half a tank of petrol.
Outside temp.
Outside temp, 24 degrees, nice and warm. I suppose it needs to be... okay, well that selector still works as well. Blower works, that's nice. Interior lights work. It says engine oil level, visit workshop.
Oh.
Do you want to run it down to the workshop quick? Oh, here, it tells you. Okay, let's see what else. The petrol, let's see. It doesn't smell old. So, okay, that's a good sign. But I really think, I think it's just too much of an ask. Let me try and open the boot. Ah, there we go. Yeah, you can see here, I mean, look. Spare wheel as well. Okay. Well, I reckon you win some, we lose some. It probably would have been easier to get this one started with the engine in the boot. I think we win some and we lose some. This one's not going to run. But if you need those spares, you know where to contact us. I think next week we'll do something that we can actually drive again. We'll see what we can come up with. Thanks for watching.